Cables can get messy and tangled up when you're running on the go. Now, there are solutions such as cable wraps, cable ties, but they're just as easy to lose when you're running on the go. Here's a method that I use in order to wrap up my cables, and this can be used for a couple of different applications. One of the most straightforward application, and here I can show you by comparison, is just to keep your cables tied up in your gear bag. This also works out nice for just shortening your cable. You can use this quickly and easily without untying it. If you can see here, this is the factory cable tied cable, and then my cable wrap here. This also works well for your wall warts. It's also nice because you don't always have to undo it if you just want to plug it right into the wall. It also works for shortening your cables. For instance, here is a cable to a video camera, and you might only need a foot on the end of that, for instance. Works for other devices, such as there's a camera, a Zune dock. And it also will wrap up your headphones. Now I'm going to show you how to do this in just one moment. Okay, here I'm going to show you how to wrap these cables up without the cable ties. Here's a finished product. See, this is nice and easy and compact for on the go. It's nice to have because you can plug it into your laptop. You want to stretch these out a little bit more. Plug it into your laptop and just have a short cable for on the go, and then it's still, you can pull it out and it will be long if you need it to. So what you want to do is probably start off with your bigger end in this case and just continue to wrap it up on itself. Now how long you want this to be is really just going to depend on the cable. But basically you want to have a good bit of length there in order to wrap it up on itself. And then I want to go around one more. And there you have it. Nice tight cable. Now if you also wanted to, this is an example of having one connection on each end, but you can also, if you wanted to, wrap them up on both ends. So instead you just go the other way. And you might want to do this if you have a different length of cable, or if that's just your preference. And there you have it, if you want to do it on both ends. Anyway, hope that helps your travels, declutters your life.